guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the grill build. It took a little bit longer than we wanted it to, but we designed each piece, and as we go through this, when you guys get your grill, this thing is actually going to be flat. One thing that the grill doesn't include is the grate. Now there are a couple different options you can use for the grate. The reason we don't include the grate is it's actually extra weight, which costs you guys more in material for one and for shipping. So shipping has gotten ridiculous. So we're trying to cut down on the weight as much as we can with it to save everybody on some shipping. So basically what we did, we went and got a little bit of like 1/4 inch solid stock, just cut it into pieces, measured out the grill, and built the grate for the inside. Works really good, or you can just go get expanded metal, super easy. So all the pieces are included in the kit except for the handles. We are thinking about maybe doing like upgrades where you can order different kinds of handles from us, but that'll be down the road a little bit. But guys, go check out the website, scofieldwelding.com. Get you a kit. It's going to be a fun little project to do at the house or possibly on the job when you're at lunch or whatever. That way you guys can cook your own meals while you're out there and stay lean and mean, right? So anyways, guys, pretty neat little grill. Gonna cook a bunch for a guy. You should be able to cook for probably 2 welders, 2 helpers, no problem. We do have the dampers, lid holders, hold up right there. But anyways, the S won't be included in your guys. It's just gonna be a regular leg, so. Anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed the build. Sorry, towards the end, we were kind of piecing things together. I forgot the tripod at the job, and so we just had people filming on and off as we continued to build this. So everybody have a great rest of your night. Be blessed. Go check out the website, scofieldwelding.com, and we'll see you there. There's nothing like listening to a fire. It's awesome. I freaking love it.
What's the dimensions on that one?
I'm not sure. About 18 inches wide. Oh, that was 15. 5/8.
That's bigger than.
Okay guys, there's the bottom of the grill template, or the grill, and we're going to get it bent up to match the shape, and then I think we're going to start packing this stuff together. So there's the temp, number 2 here. The first thing we did with it is I accidentally cut the lines to where there was too much material between here, to where a guy couldn't bend it. So we're going to see what happens on this one.
You getting it?
Way better. It's bending. Top of the old beauty. Right there. Done deal. Put back in a couple spots and get it bent to exactly what it needs to be. We'll do both sides, and then we'll work on the bottom of it.
Yes.
They're no fast cut. They sure make getting parts and things like that drawn up so freaking easy. New job. Yes. Save those changes, baby. Because I scaled this and it all fits freaking beautiful. Number 1. Save. Okay.
Good day, Rod. At least he's not supposed to be that too bad though. Hit 3 of those. Then we want the black tape back on top.
Right. Or if we leave it all in the bottles. What? Okay.
Couple old spots there. So the only thing we gotta do is get
What are you doing in for this then?
Okay, there's the lid. What we'll do is before we weld this whole thing out, we'll get the top and bottom done. And that way, on the rest of the grill builds, just like you guys have watched me build them before, we actually tack the lids down so that as you weld them out, they don't warp. Got a tricky angle finder. Do we know where one of those are?
Maybe.
Where?
It's just brush. Maybe.
Add it over this way.
Oh, okay.
Okay guys, like I said, we got it all fitted up. Now we're going to run us a couple tacks around the lid so that it doesn't move or warp or do anything like that. And then we'll weld the whole thing out. Let it sit, cool, clean it all up, grind on it, do whatever we're going to do that way, and then we're going to come back and cut the lid open. Dude, that's gonna be sweet. That's a big old grill.
Oh, that's awesome.
Guys, my own opinion on this, one of the reasons we made these the length that they were, number one, it made it a little bit easier to where you could break it, but number two, it was kind of a guide of what to weld, you know, only weld this much, jump over here, weld this much, jump over here, weld this much. That way you don't completely destroy your grill trying to weld this thing in. Okay guys, we kind of lucked out. The superintendent just showed up on the job and he's just checking in on us just to make sure that we're getting the work done, huh, Bailey? Yes?
Look at that.
Look at that, yeah, get the work done. That is going to be for our vents on both sides. So let's see here. Alright guys, welcome back. We are getting ready to put the legs on this thing. Sit on the back of your truck, either way it goes. Now, we're going to go ahead and tack this baby on here. Go from there. Okay. Okay, now I never did give him a shout out because I could not remember his name, but you guys remember when we did the 8-inch pipe grill, we did legs that were similar to this and I could not remember his name. It is Allen's Welding and Woodworking. That dude is the one that gave me the idea after I watched this video on building this thing and how to set it up and how he did his legs. And I really like the way he did his legs. And so, Alan, thank you. And I apologize. It's been years since we've done a grill. And I should have gone back and redone that video. But, man, I build them, delete them, and that's the end of it. But, anyways, Alan's Welding and Woodworking. He's, I'll put a link down at the bottom. He's the one that designed these legs, actually. And, so yeah, anyways, so what we're getting ready to do, we're gonna run us a little piece of flat bar just to give this a look of a little bit bulkier look, and but still keep the weight down. So that's kind of what we're getting ready to do. I actually just thought about this, and that would look pretty freaking cool with like some circles cut out of it or something like that. Maybe that's what we'll do. Duplicate it. Multiple duplications. Because this thing is freaking yellow. Bonk. Let's see. What do we got for? Cool. That thing's sweet. That looks so good. Boom. That's where it's going. welcome back. So what we got going is in your kit, you're going to get a piece that it doesn't look like this. It'll actually be flat, but it's got the little cuts in it so that you can bend the ears up where you need them to be. This is going to be your vent control. So basically what's going to happen is you're going to figure out where these rivets go, drill 4 holes, and what it is it's just a little flat rivet, and that's what's going to hold it tight against your grate, and then on the inside you're going to make the weld so that this piece slides. So one of the things I do is like I go maxed out shut, and then I'll figure out where this rivet's going to hit this tab right here, and that's where I punch a hole. And then I come max open where I want it to be open, figure out where the rivet's hitting, and then punch the hole. And these are going to be your stops and the things that hold on your sliders. There's going to be 8 of them in your kit, and so don't lose them.